Wow, the time has come. She is ready to go off to the paint shop. I couldn't be more excited. Can't wait to see the bloody car all in one colour. It's been a bit of a long time coming. Corey's done some amazing work. Sorry, I got the sun in my eyes, trying to find a bit of a shady spot and move back into the garage. But yeah, she is looking good. Yes, she is. Currently all in primer. All the body panels just kind of bolted on but not bolted up properly, as they're going to come off as soon as we get in the paint shop. Spoiler's the same, it's going colour coded. All the parts in there. Like I say, Jesus, I'm excited. It's going to be good. Can't wait to see it all one colour, looking fresh. Now I can start putting it all back together. But wow, how good does it look back together? And yeah, everything else inside the car, all the bits in high fill. Obviously the car's completely stripped down, completely bare at the front, ready for a bit of a clean up under here and some stone guard. And even the bay is the same. If you can see in there, everything's ratchet strapped at the moment, so the bonnet's ratchet strapped down because none of the hardware's there. But come join me on the journey of getting it painted. Won't be too many clips of it actually happening. Jesus Christ, to say I'm excited is an understatement. We got the car done. The RX7 is painted. Here's some clips of the car in the booth. Well, all the parts, the car, everything in the booth.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
The part everyone is waiting for. The big reveal of how it all looks together. Wow, not really together, but close enough for now. Everything that needed to be bolted on to get back from the booth is on, and Jesus, this colour looks good. Moment she's stuck in the garage because I'm going to get some breakfast before the next job, but I am wrapped. Spoiler colour coded, lightly bolted on, still some tape chilling everywhere, still got a bit of stuff to pull off, but we'll get to that. The big job for today, going to get it outside, jack it up, and we're going to clean all these undersides, as I want to do with the underbelly. So unfortunately, I can't put anything together until I do the underside, and I want to get everything together. My mind's going frantic, thinking, I want to put this in, I want to put that in. I've got so many rooms full of parts, and I want to get them all out and into the car. A lot of stuff has been prepped, so it should be able to go in, and I'm waiting on some bolts and stuff to arrive. Kind of just jumped into it today. Really want to get shit done, can't be bothered filming, but here we are. All the front's masked off, she's clean. Still got to mask these lower edges, but got to take that bar off while wheel underneath. The back I've cleaned as much as I can with the wheel on. Going to pull that wheel off, strut out, pull the back bumper off as I want to get a bit under the back as well. At the moment, not doing the full underbody of the car, just focusing on the inner of the guards. As it underneath is actually pretty good, and I'll probably do that on the hoist later on. Just don't want to go too extreme for the garage floor at the moment. But let's get these bloody things off. Get the casters off the front. They won't have to go back on again. These wheels only just survived. You can see there she's pretty buckled, but they did the job. It was honestly just strapping down the tow truck. It got the 2 trips it needed to, and that's enough. But yeah, we're all masked up. Just gotta get ready for the next step. The moment of truth. Just opened up the liquid death. got a roller, got a little tray. I'm going to attempt to roll it all. Last time I did this, I sprayed it on the S15 and it went on pretty bloody good, but it coated the floor, it coated me, it just made a hell of a mess. So this time, yeah, the roller masked everything up. Obviously don't have to plastic the car because it's going to be pretty tidy, but here's hoping this goes smooth. Oh man, it really is liquid death. This one's just one I got from Repco, sound deadener in a can, 4 litres of this shit, giving it a good shake up. But yeah, I'm not excited for this, but I know I need to get it done so I can move on to the next step. Let's see how she goes on. Hopefully the foam roller was the right choice. Don't really want to have to do a trip to Bunnings. She's going to be magic. She's going to take me bloody forever. It's definitely not going on as thick as when I did the S15, but that's alright. Oh, interrupted by the phone call, better get that. Update 1, it's going on. It definitely could be going on thicker, but the roller doesn't let it. I might have to go over it a second coat, we'll see how it dries. But am I enjoying it this way? No, and I definitely go with the gun the next time. But I'm in it this far, so we're going to keep going. Ah, the joy of it. But yeah, let's keep going. Keep going to the mask line. As you can see, it goes on really thin there. There's certain bits I don't care, and that's one of them because it's so far out. But yeah, we'll keep going. Most of it does have a coat underneath, so it is just freshening it up, so it doesn't matter so much. It's just the underside of the rails I might have to go over again. I push hard, it drips, I got a sheet down. I'm making a hell of a mess. Definitely not enjoying this, but I'm thinking about the process afterwards, so it's okay. Alright, halftime review. The front is done. You can see around the outside it's a bit patchy as I didn't go over it a couple of times. I went over the centre a bit more, as that's what you'll see. The other bits will be covered by the guard and the liner. Biggest issue I hit, just a bit of bleed through. You can see I've wiped down that one not so much yet. Oh, already screwed my shirt up because I like to lean on it. Bloody idiot. But shirt doesn't matter, it's cheap, free. But yeah, you can see bleed through. I'm just going to let them dry off. Just got a little bit of tape to pull off in the middle. See how much drips I've still got. I've gone halfway up the tunnel. Yeah, a bit of bottom bleed through doesn't matter. But would I recommend this way? Nah. If it's a small patch up job, yeah, this will work. Otherwise, do the other way. Use the gun. You won't get the bleed through as you're not pushing the paint into the tape. I reckon that's a bit of the issue, and the tape's just not sticking as good as it should. But we've still got the back to go. Back should be better. Doesn't matter if we get it into the holes on the back. Where we're painting is just the guard liners and this part, whatever you want to call it, the beaver panel. So it should be a bit better. But yeah, the front, once it's dried off, I'll give them all a bit of a wipe down. Get it off, get it cleaned up, and it should look magic. She's done. Sorry, didn't film that much. I actually lost my GoPro halfway through. Just spent the last 20 minutes walking around the garage looking for it. Turns out, put it on top of my jack. But yeah, she's all done. She's got the back side, nice and pretty and black, over these bloody rusty arms. All the rear end's going to come out later on. See that bloody paint now? Ended up with paint on my ear because of that. It come back down, it's inside the guard, come back down, roller on the rotor, boom, straight in the ear. So that was a bit of a tools down moment as I cleaned myself up. But we got all the back ends done, beaver panel is done, round inside that guard too, hard to see in the light. It was a bit hard to paint in the light as well. Round to the bay, you can see in there, bit of a line around the back. A few bleed through spots that you can tell there. I've been over a couple, but I want to let it dry a little bit more so I can do it a bit easier. Because at the moment I go over and it's just a bit wet and it keeps making it worse. Otherwise it looks magic. I'm happy. So that's good. That'll be me done for this video. Next time we'll start getting all the suspension shit together, everything in the car, just hopefully chuck some wheels on it and slam it. See what it's actually going to look like. As much as I don't want to take it off the stands, when I put wheels on it I'm going to want to see it on the ground.